Mr. Vaishak, you are
Yes,
appearing
sir.
for IRDAI interview on which date and in which place?
Sir, it is on 17th at 12 o'clock in Hyderabad.
Acha,
Yes,
first
sir.
class. Now, can you please tell us about yourself?
So good evening, sir. My name is Vaishak M. Nair. I am 28 years old. I was born in Thrissur, Kerala. I have done my schooling from Mumbai. In graduation, I have done my electronics and telecommunication engineering from Mumbai University. And subsequently, I pursued my MBA in marketing and operations from Amrita University, that's in Kochi. Then I got an opportunity to work with Kerala Grameen Bank as an assistant manager. And currently, I'm working with Small Industries Development Bank of India as a grade A officer in Pune branch.
Oh, acha, you are
Yes,
that
sir.
boy. I
Yes,
think I have
sir.
already talked to you once, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is your second mark with me.
No, sir. This is my first mock, but during my
We,
like when I got selected in Kerala Grameen Bank in the interview, I had taken an interview from you, sir. That
yeah,
time.
yeah, you sent me that link also. Correct.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is very good. It has come very good. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Now, you are now working in SIDB.
Yes, sir.
What is the present role you are playing in SIDB? Tell me.
So presently, I'm posted in the direct finance department, where we provide loans to micro, small, and medium enterprises for their development.
Oh, great.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell about SIDB briefly?
Sir, SIDBI is an all India financial institution which was started in 1990. The current chairman of SIDBI is Sri Manoj Mittal. So SIDBI does direct financing as well as refinancing. 99% of SIDBI's balance sheet comprises of refinancing. However, now government is giving more prominence towards direct financing. So SIDBI is highly giving more importance to direct financing, and 95% of the staff currently are posted in direct finance department of SIDBI, so to lend
Mhm.
or give credit to MSMEs directly.
How do you go about for direct financing? Because if it is a normal branch, people do visit every day morning for current account, this, that, and all. आपका पास भी current account होता है ना क्या?
No, sir, current account नहीं होता. However,
Hmm.
we take FD as collateral. So how SIDBI currently works is SIDBI takes funds from be it World Bank, uh, such international financial institutions, or sometimes RBI. I think RBI funding has reduced a bit over the years. So SIDBI is taking funds from all over the world and then funding it at a lesser rate of interest to MSMEs directly. So.
Good. Now, I think there is one portal known as Udyogam portal something. What is that?
Udyog Aadhaar portal, right, sir?
What is that?
So that portal actually all MSMEs, it is mandatory to have an Udyam registration certificate and or an
Hmm.
Udyog Aadhaar number. It
Hmm.
has been mandated by the government that all MSMEs should have that. So all
Hmm.
the MSMEs whichever are eligible for that, I mean whichever
Hmm.
companies is eligible for MSME, they can register there and get a certificate in order to
Hmm.
get them registered as an MSME.
Hmm. Can you tell me the recent definition of MSME?
So in the recent budget, the investment and turnover limits have been revised. So earlier, the micro enterprise, the investment limit was 1 crore and the turnover limit was 5 crore. Now it has been increased from 1 to 2.5 and the turnover limit from 5 to 10. And in the small medium, it has been increased from so one sec. It has been increased
You
from
are confused. You
25.
are
Yeah,
confusing. You are
no, no, no,
confusing.
sir. No,
Micro
no,
का
sir.
बाद में small आएगा.
Micro, yeah, yeah, that's what I thought I was saying something wrong. Yeah. Sir, in small, it has been increased from 25, that is investment limit is 25 and turnover limit is 100. And in medium, it has been increased from, I mean, investment limit is 125 and the turnover limit has been increased to 500. No.
Good. Excellent. We will stop your SIDB with this. We will go to
Yes, sir.
IRDAI. Where is IRDAI?
So IRDI is located in Telangana, Hyderabad, Telangana. Yeah.
Okay. Why it is kept in Telangana?
So I'm not very sure of that.
The real reason was it was during our Narasimha Rao's period. that was
Okay.
started probably. So they wanted it to
Okay.
be put there. That's the reason. Not only that,
Okay, sir.
almost all the major institutions are there in Delhi, Bombay, Kolkata. So why it should not come, something should not come to Hyderabad. Maybe
Okay,
that is
sir.
the reason. I don't know. I'm not very
Okay.
sure
I'll
about it.
definitely search that, sir. I'll definitely search that.
Yeah, yeah, very
Yeah.
good.
Yes, sir.
Now, IRDAI. Can you tell me the recent changes that have been thought about or brought about by IRDAI or by the government in respect
Uh,
of insurance sector?
so in the recent budget, the FDI, that was earlier, the limit was 74%. That has been increased to 100%, so the FDI limit
Hmm.
in the
Acha,
recent
what is
budget.
the significance of that?
There's a huge significance because if the FDI limit is increased to 100%, that means capital inflow from foreign players can increase, which can foster innovation, which can also bring about competition or increase the competition, which will be beneficial for the customers because the policy, the premiums might go low. It might foster innovation, technological advancements may take place. So that's a huge, it will be a huge benefits in the future.
Mhm. But will it not result? What are the negative points of 100% FDI?
So negative points as such, if we see, we cannot we cannot say there are a lot of negative points, but one drawback that may come is that foreign players. So, but one positive aspect of that particular thing is that if you see, sir, in the budget, they have said that all the premiums that foreign players collect, they have to invest in India itself. So that itself counters that particular drawback also, sir, which we will be thinking of.
Mhm.
So all the capital inflow that they're getting, I mean, whatever premium they're getting from India, they're investing in India itself. So anyways,
Oh,
it will increase the job.
they cannot take it back.
No, no, they cannot, sir. They cannot.
Acha. I was only thinking of a situation
Yes,
where
sir.
companies may default recognizing claims for
Okay, so
giving
that
one
okay.
or the other flimsy reasons. That's what
Yeah.
I am against that in that respect, but doesn't matter.
So that
Anyhow,
might happen.
we have to go with it other because we are not
Yes,
getting
sir.
money.
Yeah.
We are not
Yes,
getting
sir.
money. We are not getting
And sir,
money. And
yes, sir.
every day market changes. Every month it changes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And so in India, the insurance density as such, that is per capita insurance premium that we say, or insurance cover that we say is very low if you compare it with the whole world. It's just
Can
$95.
you, why people are not having it? Why insurance
So
penetration is low?
yeah, sir, I feel in India still insurance is seen as an expense. In India, still it is
Exactly.
being seen as an expense because
Exactly.
basically,
It is an
yeah,
expenditure only. Look,
yes, sir, and
I have been paying say 6,000 every month for
yes, sir,
25 years.
yes, sir,
And now I am going to get 1.5 lakhs,
yes,
which
sir.
is worth 3,000 rupees of the first days when I started making payment.
Oh, okay,
So it is actually useless. But I started doing it for saving purposes. But
yes,
it
sir,
is not
yes,
worth it. It is really not worth it if one lives all the 25 years. But
yes, sir.
the
Sir,
risk coverage is the essence. Risk coverage is the essence.
yes, sir, definitely. This endowment plan and all those plans that are coming right now, which are giving us savings as well as life insurance, is good enough, but as not as an investment perspective, sir, but only as
Yeah.
uh,
But
a
okay,
risk coverage perspective.
for a man who has lived all the 21 years, now I can boldly say, no, no, it is useless. But in 2005, when I took it, it
Yes, sir.
was a very valid one only. Even if I
Yes,
had died in 2007, they must have given 1 lakh.
definitely,
So
definitely, sir. That's what.
that is a plus point in that. Good, very
Yes, sir.
nice. IRDAI.
Yes, sir.
What do you think will be your role in IRDAI?
Sir, in IRDA as a grade A officer, we will be posted in, there are various departments in IRDA, be it finance department, actuarial department, or life insurance department, non-life insurance department. So basically, our role will be to analyze the financial statements of various insurance companies that come. and see that they are adhering with the guidelines of IRDA, be it in capital, be it in solvency ratio, or be it in any other ratios that the regulator is setting.
Now, can you tell me briefly? Say,
Yes,
in
sir.
the case of banks, we have regulatory requirements like SLR,
Yes, sir.
CRR,
Yes, sir.
and all that. What
Yes,
are
sir.
the regulatory requirements in IRDAI?
Sir, in IRDAI has mandated all the insurance companies, be it health insurance companies or be it life insurance companies, to be it general insurance companies or be it life insurance companies, to have a solvency ratio of at least 150%, sir.
What is that 150%?
The 150%, it's that they have assets of 50 percentage more than their liabilities. So that whenever any adverse,
How is liability of insurance companies decided?
it's a liability in the sense that depending upon the claims that might come, I'm not exactly I don't exactly know how they're calculating that, sir, but I feel that will be the
No,
potential
no.
claims that
See, in
might
the
come.
case of banks, we can say
Yes,
what
sir.
is liability from
Yes,
the
sir.
long-term liabilities plus the deposits.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whereas here, how to decide? Is it that the policies, all the policies I have issued are to be taken as liability or some percentage of it? What is the methodology adopted in this regard?
Sir, I
I
am
don't
not
know.
very sure of
I
that. Even
honestly
I'm not
don't
very
know.
sure.
You have to
Yeah, even
check
I
up
am.
this.
I'll
You have to
definitely check
check
that,
up
sir.
this.
Yes,
Check
sir.
up this by talking to somebody working in IRDA or
Sure, sir.
search in search in Google, whatever it is.
Sure.
It's a
Sure,
very
sir.
very important question. So
Yes,
what
sir. Yeah,
else?
very.
One point you told me solvency ratio. It is similar
Yes,
to
sir.
capital CRAR in banks.
CRAR in
Capital
banks.
is
Yes, sir.
yeah. Now here
Sir, also IRDA has a means I don't know exactly the financial ratios that they are looking upon apart from solvency ratio, but sir, there are certain guidelines that all insurance
no.
companies
I
have to
I
follow.
want you to go through IRDA Act. पूरा पढ़ के आ जाइए next time.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
ऐसा में भी बिना पढ़ के बात करने से तो कुछ नहीं चलेगा.
नहीं चलेगा. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's not going to help us. It will not take us anywhere
Yes,
because
sir. Yes,
their
sir.
expectation will be very high.
Yes, sir.
So please prepare them and come. So
Sure, sir.
next date have I given you?
No, sir.
No. So your interview is on 17th.
Yes, sir. 17th. Yeah.
Shall we keep it as 9:45 p.m. on 15th?
15th. Sir, can we keep it on 14th if you will be available on Friday, sir?
Okay. Yeah. No problem. So please
Oh,
tell
okay.
me your first five numbers.
Sir, it is 89217.
Okay. Please send a message confirming this.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
14 February 9:45. But I am giving you 9:45. हो सकता है जल्दी भी होगा, देरी भी होगा.
हाँ, sir. No problem, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
sir.
much.
Thank you.
You are one
Thank you,
of
sir.
the prospective candidates. Please prepare well. But
Thank you, sir.
unfortunately, when I was talking to Vaishnavi, I couldn't remember
Yeah.
about this solvency ratio and how to calculate that and all. Anyhow,
Yeah.
doesn't matter. Best
Okay. Thank
wishes
you, sir.
for
Thanks a
her.
lot, sir.
For her the advantage is she is with SBI.
Yes, sir.
For you the advantage is you are with SIDB. You are one
Yes,
step
sir.
ahead.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you.